Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Monday, the 22nd of October, and I just got out from college. I only had one class today, and I just decided to, get all pretty, put this little dress on, do my makeup a little bit, and get my nails done because I haven't had my nails done like in forever, and I'm feeling so weird without it. I mean, not weird, I just feel that if I have my nails done and I get a manicure and a pedicure, I'm gonna feel so much better. And like, it just, getting my nails done like provokes this feeling of having my life all together. So I think, well, I don't think, I am going to the nail salon right now. So yeah, I'll let you know how it went. I want you guys to think of what color you think I'm gonna get, and literally comment on this video saying the color that I think I got. And then after I show you, I want you to go on the comment and comment down below it or edit it and say if you were right or wrong. I want to know how many of you guessed it right. So yeah, let's go. In case you were all wondering, this is the dress that I decided to wear today. It's super cute. I think it is from Macy's, but I posted an Instagram picture wearing this dress. It's really cute and it's really comfortable, so it's gonna be perfect to go and get my nails done. It is like the perfect fall dress as well, so I'm super happy with this dress. Apartment. As you can see, I haven't ever tried this angle before, this camera angle before, so let me know if you like it. I don't know, but anyways, I got my nails done, and as you can see, I got them in this really pretty pink color. Look at how pretty it looks. The lady was so nice. She talked to me about her daughter, and yeah, it was a really nice time. I'm gonna show you my foot in a couple of seconds. So this is the color that I painted my toes. So I also went to Walgreens because I'm gonna make a video about trying pumpkin flavored foods. So by the time you see this, the video will already be up, but just in case you haven't seen it, I'll put the little card here on top of this video. So I went to a Pandora event on like a couple of weeks ago. I forgot to show you all what the Pandora store gave me in that event. So the first thing that they gave me is this huge bag that says Pandora right over here, and I think that is so pretty and perfect for summer of next year. But yeah, I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you guys what the Pandora people gave me. So the first thing that we see here is a little card. Second thing that they gave me comes in this box, and it is this super pretty jewelry storage box, and it has like this mirror right here, which I haven't really opened yet, but I think this is such a perfect little jewelry store box. So I think this was such a cute gift from them. The next thing that they gave me was this little travel luggage tag, and I think it is so pretty. It says Paradise. So this is it right here. I cannot wait to use it when I get to travel someday soon. I hope this is soon, because one of my biggest dreams is to travel. I cannot wait to travel, you guys. Another thing that they gave me was this pen that says Pandora, and I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure, I'm hoping that I'm not the only one that loves pens. Like, I am a huge office junkie. I like everything that has to do with pens, pencils, paper, notebooks, notes, just like everything office like. So the last thing that they got me was this little umbrella. It is so cute. It has this little Pandora name right here, and look at this, you guys. Like, it automatically like puts itself back. See, I think this saves so much effort from my part, which is always a plus. So those were the things that the Pandora people gave me. I'm so happy that I went to that event and I loved everything. So thank you, Pandora, again. Tuesday, it's the next day, and I just arrived to my apartment from a full day of being in college. So I just decided that I wanted to pamper myself a little bit and get all pretty so I could continue with my day. So I literally just washed my hair, and I just thought that maybe you guys would be interested on what I use to maintain my curls. So right now it is just wet. I haven't applied anything yet. I just put on shampoo and conditioner and then rinsed it off, but it's still a little bit wet. I need to, like, it's dripping. But anyways, so the first thing that I'm gonna be taking is this Black Vanilla Leave-In Moisturizer from Carol's Daughter. And Carol's Daughter Puerto Rico were kind enough to send it to me in a package a few weeks ago, but they sent me like a whole bunch of products and I am using them all. So I'm just going to be spraying it all over my hair. So next, I'm going to divide my hair in sections. I'm going to be using my favorite Carol's Daughter pomade, which is this one right here. It is the Mimosa Hair Honey from Carol's Daughter. It is a shine pomade. So basically what I'm going to do is divide my hair into two sections at first. Probably I'm just going to not like put this in a knot, like in a bun. Oh, I did it wrong. Okay. And because I have so much hair, I'm gonna take this side and divide it into half. So I basically have 4 parts. I'm gonna put it here on this side and I'm going to apply this product on this first fourth. And for my face, I've been using this Boscia Balancing Facial Tonic for a few nights and I've been loving it. So what I do is I just mix it and spray. I always jump on this part, like I just get so scared. Now we wait for that to dry up, and after that I'm going to be using my all-time favorite, the Leaf the True Cream Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. And after all of those steps, I am finally smooth. I'm finally ready to eat dinner, do some schoolwork, and watch Netflix. So I'll see you in the next clip. Hello guys, so I'm currently cleaning up the apartment a little bit. Like, we just filmed a video with my friend John, my boyfriend Christian. We filmed the pumpkin spice challenge. So we did it in the kitchen, so I'm kind of like putting things back together again. But it was such a fun challenge to film. It was really funny, so I exhort you all to go and check it out. I'm now currently waiting for two of my other friends so we could go to Walmart together. We're gonna go buy some last minute Halloween party things. So yeah, that's basically where I am at now. I really do not have anything else to say, so let's go. Hello guys, so we are going to the streets to party for Halloween. This is the makeup look that I recreated, the vampire makeup look. How does it look? I wore this pretty dress and put some fake blood all over myself. I also did my friend's makeup, which I'm going to show you some clips right now.